Yeah, if it's Halo, dude, I'm teabagging the crap out of people. Yeah.
Jingle, 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 you will hear my nutsack ring. Any first-person shooter, I am.
Please don't random deathmatch. Just start shooting people right in front of it. Rest in peace, kid. Camp Pendleton edition.
Are you rushing all the way around? Alright.
You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. So tired of the straight line, and everywhere you turn, there's vultures and thieves at your.
Like, just like. Right, so then after that, we start the game, and then you'll just see how it kind of goes. Just don't trust anyone. Look to the skies or look down.
Close your eyes and look down.
Look down. Take your iPro out and shoot full auto.
Alright, I am now. Alright. If I tap your hand, look up. Identify your traitor buddies. Look down. Everybody heads up. 30 seconds of peacetime, and then I will yell Aloha Snack Bar, and the terrorists will start shooting.
That offends me.
Well, you know what?
Poor kid.
تصدى الطيران الحربي الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر
Never in my.
So you're saying that you are now?
No. I wish.
Are you guys
Nah. Oh, I see. Oh, this is all going in the trailer.
I don't trust John right now, dude.
I don't trust the ref.
Nobody go near John. What the hell?
Yo. Yeah, I wish John was with us. We just need to get him first. Hey, we look super suspicious.
Aloha Snack Bar! Aloha Snack Bar!
Hey, guns up if you're friendly. Hey, no guns. Chill, brah. Chill. Chill, brah, homie. Chill. Watch John.
That seems fishy right there. That's fishy.
Yeah. Hey. That's it. We should just go big bang him.
Shot! Shot! Who's that? I don't know.
We have to get John somehow.
Hey, can I trust you guys?
Yeah. Let's squad up for now.
Squad up for now?
We need to go to the back of the house and take them all out. I'm going to right now. My friend's over there. Just don't follow me.